Hi there, and welcome to Module 1. Many of you may be familiar with the phrase getting the most bang for your buck. This refers to the things that give you the most return for your efforts. Well, in this module, we will have a focus on this concept as it applies to educational leadership and instructional practices in the classroom. In this module, you will be assigned to read a couple of articles by John Hattie. In the first article, you will discover what type of leaders have the most impact on schools. Many of you may know of Mike Rutherford and his Artisan Themes of Teaching. Mr. Rutherford is a former successful principal and has explained that school leaders need to focus on items that have the most, what he calls, leverage. That means to focus on the efforts that have the most impact on schools for student success. Hattie talks a little bit about the most impactful style of leadership, the one that gives a school the best impact on student success. In the second article, Hattie refers to the effect size as a standard method to measure the strength or magnitude of a relationship. That effect size essentially measures the impact of a certain strategy or intervention on student achievement. The third reading is an article showing the 6 most impactful teaching strategies in a classroom. After reading these articles, you will conduct a discussion with other class members over your experiences with high-impact school leadership. You'll be asked to identify some examples of high-impact practices by leaders and some examples of low-impact practices by leaders. Then you will conclude your discussion by explaining 2 ways teachers directly benefit from high-impact leadership in their building. Your assignment for this module is to use the template given to you for the reflection on the difference between transitional and instructional leadership and your feelings on which fits your personal beliefs better. You are then asked to give 5 specific references from the information in the articles and then give some specific examples from your teaching experience that connect with these 2 concepts. Lastly, you're asked to give 2 ideas of professional development for your school leaders. It would be very important to think of professional development for young leaders who are just starting out as principals. That does it for now. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out. Take care.